How to get a $150 Instacart coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Instacart coupon code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, couponfollow.com. Once you're in the website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Instacart. This is the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Instacart. Just scroll down and check out the offers. You can see that $10 off, $15 off, $100 off, and many more. Get towards the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now I can copy the code. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on Redeem at Instacart. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you are in the website, you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount for it. Likewise, you can hit back. You can also try out other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Instacart. Lastly, when you are in this website section, you can also check out this one website, Groupon. This is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Instacart. Well, this is how you can easily get up to $150 Instacart working coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.